Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yediyah, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And right now I'm going to break down my Cadjpy. It's a live trade I'm in right now. And let's start off with some of the Forex Factory news. So some news came out on the JPY. We have, the monetary base. So that is... it measures the change in the total quantity of domestic currency in circulation and current account deposits held at the Bank of Japan. So the actual greater than forecast is good for currency, right? So the forecast was 2.3% and we got 4.6%. So that was amazing right there. So let's see what was the reaction on the JPY basket. And we had huge buying coming in right now. Buying is still coming in. We have a wick rejection at R3, but that's still looking good because we have a lot of volume still coming in, and we found some support down here. So maybe somebody knew like the news was coming in good, so we had some buying starting from like the end of the US session into like the Asian session. Also on the US oil chart, we're still breaking down. So on the Camarilla S3, we had a rejection off of that same kind of candle right there at 8 o'clock, at 7:30, 8 o'clock. Let's see, yeah, 8 o'clock. And we're still pushing down, you know. We rejected S3, rejected upper VWAP. Let's see if my pen is working now because it wasn't working before. Let me try that. Alright, so the pen still isn't working. Okay. Anyway, so we're still pushing down on the US oil chart. So that's looking good for this trade right here. The CAD is supposed to push down, and the yen is supposed to be pushing up, right? So that's what we're seeing here right now. We had the huge sell-off. Let's pull up one of the 5-minute charts. Right, so we had the huge sell-off. When was it? Right, so 8 o'clock, huge sell-off. We pull back here a little bit, but looking like we're rejecting. What is that? That's the top central pivot right here at the red line. Then we have lower VWAP and VPOC right here. So all of this is resistance right now. Price is pushing down from that. Hopefully it doesn't close above, so we'll continue selling. I adjusted my take profit to, let's see, where is it? 101,200. So let's see if we could get there. Right now I'm in on at what price is that? 103, roughly 103. Yep, roughly 103 at 0.05 lot size. So you can see that's how much it is right there in profit, like 12.40. And let's see how far we could get with this. My stop is in profit at, well, I think it's like 10 pips, 10 or 8 pips in, something like that. 102.89, so yeah, about 11 pips. And yeah, we'll see how this trade pans out, you know, how this trade is gonna work out, if it's gonna be a runner or what, you know. Oil looking like it's gonna take a little cool off here now. Like, let's see, US oil, let's go up to like the 4-hour chart. So we're getting some pullback into the value area, you know. We got volume point of control down here at 110, and you know here is like a nice little, like a little flag, a bear flag I guess it was, and we just shot up from there, so we're just retesting it, that's all. And this is upper VWAP here as well, so you see we got some support here as well. Looking like the JPY basket is falling off a little bit, but that buying should sustain with that good news. Probably some people will buy into the JPY now, you know. Alright, y'all, that's my trade. Let's see if it's a runner or what. It's a profitable trade. Can't turn back from that. We already broke it even, and we're 8 pips in profit, so let's see how it works out. Alright, it's King here, the year, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and you all trade safe and stay blessed.